So I just woke up, so right now my day is gonna consist of me going to the dentist. I'll go to Walmart to get what I need for my transformation. Then I will be back home, finish my transformation with my makeup, outfit, and hair. I haven't woke up at 8 a.m. in a minute because I usually wake up every day at 6 a.m. for school. So yeah, today I'm not going to school because my appointment is at 9:40. So there's no point in me going to school. So yeah, see you guys on the next clip. Okay, so
Do you need me to move anything?
no, I'm good, thank you. I'm confused. Hi, I have a question. Do you know where I can find super glue? Super glue?
Super glue?
Yeah. 9. Thank you so much. Okay, it's right here. Okay, so before I start anything, this is my hair right now. I'll just be slicking my hair back. Alright, so the camera cut off, so this is the final look of my nails. I feel like for $8, this is really nice. This looks like it could have been done at the nail shop in my opinion. I might keep on doing it myself, honestly. All I used was the Kiss Salon acrylics and some Gorilla Glue. Makes your nails last way longer. Alright guys, so I'm back now. I have done my hair and my nails, as I can see. And now I'm about to do my makeup. I have this mirror right here. I'm probably gonna be looking down most of the time. I'm gonna start by applying this lotion right here. Now that I finished applying my lotion, I'm gonna apply this primer on, which is the Melanie. I don't know. I'm gonna put. Anyways, that's the primer. I'm gonna use this primer to prime my face. I haven't done makeup in a minute, y'all. Like. Now I'll be using the Fenty Beauty shade 330. I might have gotten darker. I haven't used it in a minute too, so we'll see. I forgot to do my eyebrows. This always happens to me. Anyways, let's talk about senior year. It's like the best year, but yeah, the worst year because you're like, okay, I'm about to go. There's no point of me being in here. I have all my credits, so I don't see why I am still in this school. Like,
so I don't know what came to my mind. I think it's because of what I wanted to major in. Since I wanted to major in nursing, but that nursing thing is not for me anymore.
This is my eyebrows. I'm gonna get this right here. This is the concealer I'm gonna be using to underline my eyebrows, but I'm not gonna use a lot because it's like 10 shades lighter than mine, so I'm not gonna use a lot. They look like I just got them done at the nail shop. Like, people won't know that I did them. They won't know. I'm gonna use this Kiko contour. Well, it's like a concealer, but it's like so dark that I use it for contouring. See, I forgot to put the concealer under my eyes. I'm telling y'all, I forgot how to do makeup now. It's bad. Wow. I'm an Instagram baddie now. This is like a light shade and this is like a dark shade. So I'm gonna be using like 2 dots of the dark shade and then like 3 dots of the light shade because, you know, I don't want it to be too dark, but I don't want it to be too light, so. I'm using this middle shade right here. Do I look too yellow? I think I look too yellow. Oh my god. My worst part ever is applying those. I hate applying lashes on. I think I have a problem. I already cannot apply lashes. I've tried so many times. I think my eyelashes are too curly or something. I hope my edges gonna look good underneath this color because they usually look so ugly. This doesn't happen to anybody else. Like when I put gel on my edges and then I tie my hair up, my edges always comes up curly even though I tie my hair up really tight. I think I did it right. I think I did it right. Yeah, I think I did it right. And I'm gonna put this on my lips. I'm gonna be using this gold highlight right here. Ooh, that's too much. Something better. Just like that. So hopefully there's no line from the gel. Ooh, I'm telling you, I'm looking like a snack today. Okay. Okay. Okay, Francesca. Okay. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna go put my outfit on and I'll be right back.
1, 2, 3.